Yeah, shot to go up, man. It shot to go up. Shot to go up, man. You know, I beat so much eggs, I wake the bakery up. You better call the bread, man. I got delivery trucks. Say you work for Petrus Farm, bitch, I work for the bus. You feel I work for John Gotti, got the dope in the trunk. I got the bread on the table with the egg. Beat it with the batter in the kitchen, cooking it. Dope, whipping dope, got your girl butt naked. In the whipping dope, she got to stretch it, not stretch it. Bitch, you better cut the dope. We in the kitchen. Use the right shipment. Use the right measure. I give you 1/4 and the fucking tape measure. I give you tablespoons, bitch. Who can do it better? Man, y'all slipping. Y'all young whole politician. Man, you fucking with my homeboy business. You mad? Cause I ain't fucking with you cause you slipping, you sad. Cause y'all young niggas just slipping, you mad. I got the game a whole boy, I'ma gripping you fuck. Cause yo bitch, yes she telling your business. Tell me nigga, now I'm pimpin', so nigga, where were you? Because I'm egg beating. I'm in the kitchen, I'm egg beating. And bitch, don't tell my business, ho, you bet repeat it. Man, I pour that chopper, bet you won't repeat it. Yeah, I'm egg beating, bitch, you can't repeat it. I drop 1, 4, 3, have 3, 4. Add another tablespoon, whip it up. Eggs, ho. Add a little olive oil, put it on the heat, ho. Use that fucking whistle, whip that bitch, and then I cook the dough. Man, I'm getting money, what the nigga talking? I run up on your bed with the pistol talking. Bitch, where were you when I was egg beating? Man, fuck, shout to go out, man, I'm in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen whipping, got the hoes stripping. And y'all niggas running miles, got the hoes tripping. I swear to God, when I catch this fucking hoe slipping, I'ma pour the chopper, leave that fucking hoe ripping. R.I.P. to the last hoe, because you went around the mouth about me cooking dope. Cause I was in the motherfucking kitchen, egg beating. Man, she went around and had a fucking mouth skeeting. So I just pulled a fucking chopper and let the bitch teach her a lesson. And now your young nigga up flexing. I'm still wearing fucking holster, like I'm broke a motherfucker. I'm a baller. I was in the kitchen, egg beating, fuck the water whipping. Gucci Mane showed this nigga to the kitchen. He said, shout to go out, man, handle your business. Now bitch, where were you when I was egg beating? When I was egg beating, when I was egg beating. Bitch, where were you when I was egg beating? When I was egg beating, when I was egg beating. Fuck the bedroom, point me to the kitchen. Fuck the bedroom, point me to the kitchen. Where were you when I was egg beating?